Imagine a tiny seed packed with an enormous amount of nutrients that can significantly improve your health. This is no fairy tale, but the reality of the small yet mighty chia seed. Originating from Central and South America, these seeds were a dietary staple for the Mayans and Aztecs, valued for their energy-boosting properties. Fast forward to the present day, chia seeds have resurfaced as a modern superfood, embraced by health enthusiasts worldwide. But what exactly are chia seeds? They're edible seeds from the Salvia hispanica plant, a member of the mint family. They're incredibly versatile, boasting a mild nutty flavor that pairs well with a multitude of dishes. But it's not just their versatility that's impressive. These minuscule seeds are brimming with essential nutrients, including fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, making them a nutritional powerhouse. So, let's unravel the mystery of these tiny powerhouses and their extraordinary health benefits. Chia seeds, despite their size, are a nutrient powerhouse. When you think of chia seeds, you might picture tiny, unassuming specks. However, don't let their size fool you. These little seeds are loaded with an impressive array of nutrients that can greatly benefit your health. Firstly, they are an excellent source of dietary fiber. This not only aids in digestion but also helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, making them an ideal addition to any weight management plan. Secondly, chia seeds are packed with quality protein. This is essential for body growth and repair, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Thirdly, they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These are known for their heart-healthy properties and ability to reduce inflammation. And all of this comes with a very low calorie count. Yes, you heard it right. Incredibly, these tiny seeds pack all these nutrients with very few calories. So what can these nutrient-dense seeds do for your health? Well, let's delve into the first of the many benefits these tiny wonders have to offer. First up, chia seeds can be a great ally in your weight loss journey. They pack a punch with their high fiber content, which keeps you feeling full for longer periods. This can help curb those pesky hunger pangs that often lead to overeating. And the best part, they're low in calories, so you can enjoy them guilt-free. Next, let's talk about gut health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber. This fiber aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements. In a nutshell, chia seeds can help keep things moving smoothly, if you catch my drift. Moving on to heart health, these seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Now, omega-3s are known to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. They also help to regulate cholesterol levels, making chia seeds a heart-friendly food indeed. Now, who wouldn't want strong and healthy bones? Good news, chia seeds are high in several nutrients that are key to bone health. This includes calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. In fact, ounce for ounce, chia seeds contain more calcium than most dairy products. So for those who can't or choose not to consume dairy, chia seeds can be a great alternative source of this crucial bone-strengthening nutrient. Lastly for today, chia seeds can give you a natural energy boost. They're an excellent source of quality protein and balanced amounts of carbs and fats, providing a sustained release of energy throughout the day. No more midday energy slumps. These are just a few of the ways chia seeds can enhance your health. But there's more. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the exceptional benefits of this superfood in the next scene. The magic of chia seeds doesn't stop there. No, indeed, we've still got another 5 fabulous health benefits to delve into. So let's get cracking. First off, let's talk about skin health. Chia seeds are packed with antioxidants. These little warriors fight off free radicals in your body, which can damage skin cells and lead to premature aging. So by including chia seeds in your diet, you're essentially giving your skin a natural, nutritious boost. Next up, we have inflammation. Now, inflammation isn't always a bad thing. It's your body's natural response to injury or illness. But chronic inflammation can lead to serious health problems, like heart disease or stroke. That's where chia seeds come in. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. So chia seeds can help keep inflammation in check. Now, let's move on to brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids aren't just good for fighting inflammation. They also play a crucial role in brain health. They help build and repair brain cells, which can improve cognitive function and potentially ward off mental decline. So you could say that chia seeds are food for your brain. Next, we have digestion. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which aids in digestion by keeping your bowel movements regular and preventing constipation. Plus, they can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, which helps to keep you feeling fuller for longer. So, they're a great addition to any diet. Finally, we have athletic performance. Chia seeds were once used by Aztec warriors for endurance. Now, they're used by athletes for the same reason. They provide a steady release of energy, thanks to their blend of protein, fats, and fiber. So they can help you stay fueled and focused during your workout. Clearly, these tiny seeds hold a wealth of health benefits within their small shells. So why not give them a try? You've got nothing to lose and a whole lot of health benefits to gain. Now that you've learned about the benefits of chia seeds, you may be wondering how to incorporate them into your diet. Well, the good news is it's easier than you might think. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be added to a variety of meals and snacks. They can be eaten raw, sprinkled over salads, or mixed into trail mixes. For a breakfast boost, try adding them to your morning smoothie, yogurt, or oatmeal. But wait, there's more. These tiny powerhouses can also be soaked in water or milk, transforming them into a gel-like substance perfect for making chia pudding, a delicious and nutritious treat. And don't forget about baking. Adding a spoonful of chia seeds to your favorite bread, muffin, or cookie recipe not only ups the nutritional value but also adds a satisfying crunch. So why not give it a try? Start exploring the power of chia seeds and experience the health benefits for yourself. So, there you have it. The mighty chia seeds, small in size but big on benefits. Packed with nutrients, they're a superfood that can boost your health in numerous ways. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. And let us know in the comments section what health topic you'd like us to cover next. Remember, your health is your wealth.